Are you looking for the best car vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best car vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Worx PowerShare Cube Vac. This cordless vacuum is incredibly powerful given its small footprint. It weighs 3 pounds, with strong enough suction to clean carpeted areas with impacted pet hair and dirt without needing to pause and empty the dustbin. It boasts an impressive battery life of 25 minutes on low, 10 minutes on high. We found it easy to maneuver around the car interior thanks to its range of accessories, which include a brush nozzle, a crevice nozzle, and a handy 4-foot flexible hose. The hose makes getting into tight spots much easier for a more thorough and complete clean. Other benefits of the vacuum are its removable HEPA filter to eradicate smaller particles of dust and debris, 2 settings, and a 6-ounce dustbin that is easily opened with a push of a button. The square size also makes it easy to store in a back seat or a trunk. There's few minor drawbacks. We found it to be a little too loud, especially on high, and it's a little pricier than some other cordless models. But the compact size and long battery life make for a great car vacuum overall, and its accessories and suction contribute to its usability. Product details: vacuum type, cordless, weight, 3 pounds, battery life, 10 minutes on high, 25 on low, accessories, 4-foot flexible extended reach hose, onboard accessory storage, crevice nozzle, brush nozzle. Number 2. ANKO Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. For a less expensive option, the best car vacuum is this pick by ANKO. We tested it on a car that had just returned from a camping trip, so dirt and leaves were the main targets. The vacuum was easy to maneuver and the attachments were small enough to get into tight spots under the seats. The vacuum itself does a great job picking everything up, and the bin capacity is fairly roomy, so you can clean for a while until it's time to empty. However, the suction power of the Vac's attachments wasn't very effective. On the bright side, the ANKO is easy to empty, just make sure the dust cup latches on when you close it. At under 1.5 pounds, this pick is ultra lightweight, making it easy to move around your car. If you're worried about being tethered to a cord, don't be, it's long enough to reach all over the car so you won't have any issues. Product details: vacuum type, corded, weight, 1.44 pounds, bin capacity, 0.5 liters, battery life, not listed, accessories, carry bag, HEPA filter, brush head, fathead hoses, and extension tube. Number 3. DeWalt Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If you're looking for a versatile car vacuum that's great for deep cleaning, we recommend the accessory-heavy DeWalt 20-volt bagless vacuum. It has both a flexible hose and an extension tube for getting in between crevices, in the trunk, and underneath the seats. The LED light attached to the handle makes it possible to do incredibly detailed work. The vacuum also comes with a crevice nozzle and a round brush. At 65 volts, it has great suction as well. We found that it picked up all the pet hair and dirt on the hard surfaces in one pass. While the vacuum eventually picked up all of the sand and dirt on the softer interior surfaces, it did take a few passes to completely clear up. The larger vacuum head worked great for more spacious areas like the trunk, and the crevice tool was useful in between the seats. The battery life is substantial at 21 minutes, and the HEPA filter is also good for picking up smaller particles like dust. This is a heavier option at over 6 pounds, which we found could be tiresome to hold after a while, but it does feature a belt hook to distribute some of the weight. You'll have to buy the batteries separately, but because it's compatible with all 20-volt DeWalt tools, it's a great value if you already have one at home. And because it's bulkier than other options, it's probably not a vacuum you'd store in your car. Product details: vacuum type, cordless, weight, 6.82 pounds, battery life, 21 minutes, accessories, extension tube, floor nozzle, flexible hose, crevice nozzle, gulper brush, round brush, belt hook, accessory holder, and HEPA filter. Number 4. Armor All Wet/Dry Car Vac. This Armor All vacuum can be plugged into your car's 12-volt port and has a 15-foot cord to ensure it'll reach all the far corners of your vehicle. The vacuum performed very well in our tests, especially considering its budget price, but keep in mind that you can only use it in your vehicle. It picked up sand, food crumbs, small rocks, and even paper scraps, making it useful for a variety of messes. The built-in crevice tool is its best feature, as its concentrated power has better suction than the regular nozzle, and we ended up using it more during cleaning. We like the detail brush for removing pet hair, but the stiff bristles are a little rough on more fragile areas, like air vents. And we appreciated the LED light that helped us see underneath car seats and in between crevices. As a wet/dry vacuum, it can also be used to pick up small liquid spills if you spill a drink or end up with melted snow puddling on the floor. This is a nice feature, although the nozzle of the included squeegee isn't long enough to fit into a car cup holder, which is a bit inconvenient. Overall, we found the vacuum best to use on flat areas like leather interior seats and inside the trunk, and it's great for small spills and quick cleans. A plastic piece of an attachment did break off, but didn't render it useless, so consider some caution as you clean. Product details: vacuum type, corded, weight, 2.2 pounds, battery life, not applicable, accessories, storage bag, detail brush, squeegee, and washable filter.